Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to do a Fat Henry's New York strip with a compound butter. Let's get into it. Start with that beautiful prime New York strip. Going to give it a heavy coat of Fat Henry's. We're going to go reverse sear. We're going to go on the smoker at about 250 for probably 20 to 30 minutes. Get it up to an internal temp of 120. And then I'm going to sear it in a cast iron skillet with a good little butter bath and just spoon it on, get it finished off. It'll be great. Don't forget your sides. Now let's make that compound butter. We've got softened butter. This is confit garlic. Give it a good mash, chop. Get it all softened up to go back in there. Some fresh rosemary out of the garden. Give it a good heavy coat of Fat Henry's in that compound butter. Some smoked salt flake. Now we're going to roll it up. All right, steak is off. It's been seared. Put that compound butter on it. Let it sit for just a few minutes. Always keep your work table clean. All right, we're going to smear that butter in. Give it a good chop. That butter is where it's at. I'm telling you, the steak was phenomenal, but that butter on top, melted in, so good. Go ahead and give it another hit of salt flake on top of that. And enjoy, guys. Y'all let me know when you try this recipe out.